the whole team has been eating this.
Yeah. Mommy, shut up. Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and another session of R&D, which means
Relax and drink.
welcome back. My name is Alia and I'm the social media manager for Greater Than Gin, and I'm back with my boss.
Hi, I'm Aparajita and I make everything greater along with these fine peeps.
Them
And everybody.
We're back with our third YouTube video, and what are we doing today?
We are testing out some chips.
Hot chips with our favorite.
Of course, the best Greater Than.
So when you think of hot chips, what's the first thing that comes to your mind?
The potato crisps, the halwai chips. Plain potato chips made in your regular local store, which is called Hot Chips. This is not sponsored by Hot
Chips.
Sadly. My greatest memory of Hot Chips is when we basically had to go and get chips for a
Birthday
house
party?
party. Yes.
Okay,
Yeah, a house party. You can buy those chips in kgs. Till now we had small packets always. This one I ended up getting a 1 kg
Pack
packet.
of potato chips,
packet.
which will get over
And guess how
in
big
that.
it was, guys? It was this big. It was
That's
this big.
1 kg?
Yeah, that was 1 kg. Like this
crazy.
massive one, and still nobody finished it. But it was totally worth it. It was totally worth it.
Once obviously this baby came out, we realized that the best chakna is
Yeah.
actually hot chips with Greater
Yeah.
Than and tonics.
How
And,
crazy are these chips?
you can tell that there's an other vegetable apart from potato, and you'd be like,
Oh, vegetable chips we are having.
No.
Actually, what are chips?
I
Ones
would
as a
say,
chip.
for me, I think something potato based
Right?
counts as chip.
Same here, because
Yeah,
when
like-
you think of chips, you only think of potato. The coolest intervention India has done is that they have transformed vegetables
Into
chips.
chips.
So what are we looking at for
We're looking
this?
at how well it goes with the gin and tonic for sure.
Compatibility with our fine one. Then the spice level, right?
Yes,
And
and
then
since it's the third video, the third criteria is chip cut.
chip cut.
CC, chip cut. Before we get started with all the chip tastings that we have to do, we have to make our yummiest gin and tonic, which we're gonna do right now. Cheers.
Cheers, cheers.
Now that the gin and tonic part is done, can I please ask production to get our first chip? And that is, we don't know yet. The production is gonna surprise us. So production, whatever you
Production,
want.
bring us the chips. Bring it to us.
Can you guess what they are? Like they're murku for sure, but
Flavored murku.
I will actually tell you after you taste it.
So should we just take a sip?
Yeah, take a sip. Cheers.
Oh my god! Now I know why everybody has been eating this.
Stealing our murku.
Yeah, the whole team has been eating this.
And that's why it's so low. I had more, guys.
Yeah,
Generally.
we had a mountain and it's become this big for the shoot.
Can you guess the flavor? If you had to
Is
tell.
it like tomato-ish?
Yeah, legit. It's tomato murku.
But I don't know if it qualifies as a chip because chip is supposed to be potato.
This is potato.
This is
potato.
What? It made it out of potatoes.
Hey guys, I got that bit a little wrong because that's not actually potato, it's gram flour. The seasoning though was straight up banging and tomato seasoning. But yeah, it was still a murku. Murkus are not made out of potato, they are made out of gram flour. But yeah, correction.
Does it go with the gin and tonic?
Let's see.
Look, for me, it really goes with it because I'm going back for it and I'm also going for my drink.
I think this is nice on its own. I want to finish all of this and then maybe hydrate myself because I've overeaten this. It's like binge eating.
It is quite yummy, so
It's very, very
you
yummy.
Can
So you can like fall into the trap of overeating,
and forget the drink.
which I don't want.
Okay.
I think it's pretty funky because I didn't know that this was potato.
Does it
right
look
now.
like kurkure?
It
But
does look like kurkure. It really looks looks like kurkure and it does have this murkuness to it.
How would you rate this? So now you know our ratings. It's great, not too great, and possible.
For me, it's
For me, it is great. I'm liking the flavors between this and the gin and tonic.
Yeah.
So it's a pass for me and not for her. But yeah. Next!
I'm
Okay.
always like a little dodgy about these overdone type of crisps. Sometimes
This
it works, sometimes it doesn't. Yeah.
It's going to blow your mind because it's one of my favorites.
Wow.
I actually grew up eating this. My mom used to chai time snacks for us at home.
Susan.
Yeah. Mommy, shut up. This is potato, but you must be wondering what the...
Yeah, why is it so green? Is it pudina flavored?
No, guess what?
What?
It's curry patta.
Curry patta. Just like those namkeens with the moongfali and the murga.
Yeah,
oh,
exactly.
Those ones are also
So-
really good.
So let's go. Whoever thought curry patta could be so yummy? Actually, I love it.
I don't like it too much, but
What?
curry patta. But this is really good. It's spicy though. It's spicy, but it's like a good spice.
The spice factor is what makes you go for that,
Yeah, I think so.
right?
Oh, and it goes really well with it. Compatibility, yes. Spice level,
It is.
Yes, it is spicy, but it is a very good spice where you want to have it. Cut style, it is perfect. So
Next.
this is a
100% pass. Yes, this is 100% pass from the both of us. This is going to be served at MTW, our office bar, which is situated in Panjim. We're literally in MTW.
the bar.
If you're in Goa, make sure you find yourself in Panjim and MTW. Next trip, production, surprise us.
Whoa! They look like little lizard tails.
I thought about the same, but it's not that. It's a vegetable that actually a lot of people hate. I don't, and you know I don't. 'cause
Yeah,
I've
I
told you
love it
this.
as well, I think.
So you know what it is?
Are you talking about a bitter gourd?
Yeah, it is Karela.
It is Karela.
Literally Karela.
Ooh. Cheers.
Let's take
Oh. Yeah.
This is a 10 on 10, guys. I really love
Yeah, I
this
think this
one,
is
yeah.
10
A
on 10.
pass.
Yeah.
Let's go. Thank you so much, production. You're like on a roll.
Yeah,
Thank
how
you
are you
so
like getting
much.
all of these?
Okay, production. The last chip.
God, please get the one that I want. Please get the one that I want.
Ladies and gentlemen, the party starter.
Please, there it is. Yeah, it is a party
The
starter.
party starter.
And a party ender. This
Yeah.
is what you would start with, and by the end of it, you'll be like, I need these chips.
Yeah, I
also
agree.
again
I agree.
somehow.
And that yogurt dip with this.
You know, like this garlic yogurt hung curd dip.
Yum.
Perfectly
So
made
good.
and perfectly seasoned.
Cheese test.
Cheers.
You can't
So
go
good.
wrong with it.
But you can actually go wrong with it.
The spicy one.
Yeah, the spicy one and like the little thicker ones and the more the oily ones. But when you land yourself, oh, this is so good.
It's so good.
It is perfect. It's perfect. It's perfect.
It's so beautiful.
Just like
Looking like
oh.
a wow. So for this one, we're definitely thumbsing the up. Oh shit.
Yeah,
The
okay,
freak
something.
up.
Yeah, something the freak up.
That brings us to the end of our Greater R&D Sessions episode 3 of the best hot chips with gin and tonics, which we still have.
I have had so much fun with you on this.
Go on.
It's been so much fun, yeah.
So maybe we'll do a part 2.
Yeah, maybe
We can do a part
If you
2.
guys want to hear more, let us know.
But yeah, exactly, in the comments down below. Okay, this goes without saying. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We're new in this space, and we know you'd love to see more of this, and as much as we'd love to put more out there. Thank you so much once again, and
Drink greater quality, not quantity.
cheers.
Action.
Who did that?
Is watching reels in the middle of of our video.
You take that now, everybody enjoy. Yeah. And you can cut this out if you want to. But
No,
you know,
don't cut anything out.